How's it going, ladies and gentlemen?
For those of you who are not in the know, I usually do a weekly update on a $500 Robinhood account challenge where I try to grow a $500 Robinhood account as much as possible. And if you want to check that out, I'll put a link to the playlist up in the corner somewhere. But not a whole lot has happened with that account over the last couple of weeks, and I just want to do something a little bit different. So we're going to do something a little bit different. And if you haven't figured out what that is by the title, you're probably pretty stupid. In case you haven't, we're doing a paper trading competition that I'm hosting, and the winner of which will get $100 from me. So I'll send it to you as a cash payment through whatever payment service you use. It won't be a gift card because I'm not super lame. If you want to register, the link is in the description as well as the password. And there are only there's 500 slots available for people to register in. And if those slots are taken up, hit subscribe. I'll be doing this on a regular basis if this doesn't turn into a total shit show. So you go to register, it'll ask you to create an account on this website called How the Market Works, and it's free, so don't panic. And once you create that, you'll come to this page, which is your dashboard. You want to make sure right here that the InTheMoney trading competition is selected, because this is where you select the competitions you want to make trades in. So if you're wanting to make a trade in this competition, have that selected. Right here, you'll see my portfolio, in quotes, not mine, but my portfolio. You can check out your stocks and funds and see how they're doing. This website allows the hosts of paper trading competitions to delegate assignments, but I'm not a total loser, and I don't want you guys to be... I'm an educational channel, but I'm not a fucking sadist, so no assignments for you guys. You can check out your account balances and graph your portfolio just like you would on Robinhood, but you can also graph it against the S&P 500 to see how you're doing against that index as well. If you still don't understand what's going on because you're big ding dong, you can check out the tutorial videos where I bet they'll hold your sweaty little baby hand through it all so you're not super deep in the red. I haven't checked them out myself just because everything's pretty intuitive, but feel free to do so if you feel the need. Here this is where you'll enter your trades and trading. You can trade stocks and ETFs, mutual funds, and all that jazz. You can check previous trades and orders. And if you still don't understand what's going on, you can also check out the trading tutorials there as well. Now, there's some other stuff on this page I'll go over in just a second, but I want to let you know, you're gonna be starting with $100,000. Only 20% of your portfolio can be in any single investment at a time. This prevents someone from putting their entire investment in one thing and getting lucky and winning the competition. I want it to be more of a battle of portfolios than a battle of luck, I guess. So only 20% in any single investment at a time. You can buy stocks, buy shares, and short sell shares as well. The stock price just has to be over $1. You can't trade options or futures or anything like that just because this website doesn't provide that. You can also go down here to the contests and see my rankings, and that's where you'll see how you're comparing to everybody else in the competition. Okay, so that's it, everybody. If you want to register, follow the link down below. Also join the Discord if you want to stay up to date on announcements pertaining to this competition. The link for that will also be down below. Thank you guys, and good luck.